Hello pizza lovers, this is Kasim Roger. Today I'm going to show you how to make a restaurant quality pizza at home. After finishing my school, I spent many years studying and working in a pizza environment where I've managed and made literally thousands of pizzas on a weekly basis. So in this video, I'm going to show you some of the techniques how to make even better than restaurant quality pizza at home. Okay, remove the dough patty from the bowl. Coat both sides with destinator or semolina flour. Interlock fingertips to the edge to create a half-inch border. Press down and pull back, rotate and repeat. Fingertips to the border's edge. One hand pulls, the other is stationary. Dough slides under stationary hand. Keep stretching until the 75% of final size. Dock the skin by using needle docker to kill bubbles. You can also use a comb or fork as an alternative. Extend hands, fingers together, skin over palm, edge to fingertips. Transfer dough to other hand, rotate quarter turn and keep repeating until its final size. Gently place on pizza screen. Apply 1 spoonful or 6 ounces of pizza sauce on the dough skin. Keep an inch sauce border. You want to take 2 cups of 100% mozzarella cheese and sprinkle this onto the top. You want to make sure you get the cheese all the way to the sauce. You don't want to cover the crust, you just want to cover the sauce with your cheese. I'm making double pepperoni pizza. I'm gonna take my pepperoni and starting on the outside, I'm gonna place a roll of pepperoni and I'm keeping the pepperoni relatively close to each other because they do shrink up when they bake. I'm gonna go around and continue filling in the center, kind of overlapping the slices so it looks like that. I need about 44 slices of pepperoni. Place your pizza in the oven for about 7 to 9 minutes at 400 Fahrenheit or until the edges color become brown. Look at that. It smells incredible. Thank you for watching my video. If you find it helpful, please subscribe my YouTube channel.